All the best to all the candidates sitting for their examinations. Elsewhere, over 500 residents of Mihang'o, Njiru and Chokaa are seeking the intervention of the court to block their looming December 31st eviction deadline. Through their lawyers, the residents have filed an urgent application before the High Court in Nairobi seeking to overturn the eviction order issued by Justice Samson Okongo, issued in Kisumu 2 weeks ago. The residents were ordered to vacate the over 1,000 acres of land located in Embakasi, Nairobi, and that belongs to former MP Kericho County. Ruth Wamboy, the details in the Scales of Justice segment.
Barely 2 weeks after presiding judge of the Environment and Lands Court, Samson Okongo, of Kisumu Law Court gave a green light for the eviction of the Njiru squatters at the Kirima family land. The affected residents have rushed to the High Court to block the order and filed a new suit under a certificate of urgency.
Only later on to learn that the person who had been brought to us as the rightful owner has come up. That is the family of the estate, with the estate of the late Dominic has shown up, and it's showing documents which seem to be making sense, seem to be the correct documents.
They are calling on the Directorate of Criminal Investigations to ascertain the documents submitted in court by the Kirima family.
The Cabinet Secretary for Lands, who is the custodian of documents, called the land to come out plus the PS and explain where did the government go wrong. And now that we have brought to the right information, we believe very strongly that that judgment will be set aside.
Residents have sued Teresia Kirima and 1,310 others. The latest development comes a week after Embakasi East legislator Babu Owino and his Kasarani counterpart Ronald Karauri were also in court disputing Kirima's ownership of the parcel of land. On the same breath, two businessmen were paraded before Senior Principal Magistrate Susan Shitobi for defrauding Placid View Limited, land worth 40 million shillings, located at Imara Daima Estate. The accused Eric Munene and Kelvin Mugambi are charged with forging title deed, altering the said certificate, purporting it to be generally issued by the Ministry of Lands. They were ordered to deposit a cash bail of 2 million Kenya shillings plus one contact person, each, or an alternative bond of 5 million Kenya shillings plus two sureties to secure their release pending trial.
To be approved by the trial court, the prosecution to supply the defense copies of the charge sheet, witness statements, and all documents to be relied on, including the police abstract